Hello everyone and welcome back to Neil Explains. Today question is very simple one. I don't know why I have given this question, but many people think this is a tricky one. So do you think this is a tricky one? We will find out. So for every mathematic equation we follow PEMDAS rule. Do you know what is PEMDAS? Parenthesis, exponential, multiplication, division, addition and subtraction. So here two operations are there, division and multiplication. And our question is 12 divided by 4 multiplied into 3. So as we know, multiplication and division have same priority. Okay, same priority. In this case, we will solve from left to right. Left to right. So in this equation, we will solve from left side to this equation to right side. So here first operation will be this 12 divided by 4. What will be the answer? That is 3. Okay. Now 3 multiply by 3. In the next step, 3 into 3, that is 9. So 9 will be the answer. And if you want to be a zero to hero in maths, go and check out our books in the description and keep watching, keep learning and keep growing.